Hi, I am Durga Prasad Neelakant, chartered accountant as well as keto dietitian, keto diet advisor. Recently, Miss Kangana Ranaut, a viral news came to my notice. The matter of the news is that she has reduced 5 kg weight within a period of just 10 days. So this news went viral across the world or across India, and it came to me. I was surprised that she circulated this news with overwhelming joy that she has reduced 5 kg weight just within a matter of 10 days. Then it caught up my interest, and I verified what was her diet. Only 4 or 5 points. She has mentioned that she has taken early dinner, and she avoided all the junk food and oil food, and she has taken vegetable salads, vegetable soup. That's all. With this diet, she got reduced 5 kg weight in 10 days. But it is a for her it is a joy, but like a keto dietitian, for me it is not a happy news, but it is a myth, because in this system it is called this system is called glucose metabolism. Under glucose metabolism, only water weight will be reduced and not the original fat. That when we make diet under glucose metabolism, then our insulin hormone secretion will come down. So insulin is a fat storing hormone as well as water storing hormone. When we reduce diet in glucose metabolism, insulin secretion fall down, and body cells leaves to water. That entire body is comprising of 125 trillion cells. So when insulin falls shortage in the body, then this fat storing hormone releases the water into kidneys. Then it is that water goes out of the body in the form of urine. Then we think that within 10 days 3 kg, 5 kg, sometimes 7 8 kg water weight is reduced. We think that our fat cells burn into energy calories, and our weight is reduced, but it is not correct, it is false, it is a general myth. When this fat cells reduction is not possible under glucose metabolism, it is possible only under ketone metabolism. When uh, when we convert our body metabolism from glucose metabolism to ketone metabolism, then only fat cells called adipocytes, these adipocytes release the fat into blood in the form of ketones. This requires it is with the help of this process is made with the help of glucagon hormone. Under glucose metabolism, glucagon hormone will not be released, only insulin hormone is reduced, so that body releases stored water in the cells to the kidneys, and our weight is reduced. When we do diet for 1 week, 2 week, or 4 weeks, or 2 months, then entire water in the body releases, then our weight is reduced. When we start or when we switch over to regular food, then this fat storing and water storing hormone insulin increases in the body, it again accumulates the water into the cells of the body. Then our weight, whatever weight we lost in that diet period, will be restored into body with the same speed. If we lost 10 kg weight in 1 month, that is only water. That after stopping diet and coming to regular diet, this 10 kg water is restored again in the body, and within 1 month we surprise that within 1 month my weight is increased by 10 kg, or sometimes it is even more also. That requires that it requires a lot of explanation in the form of insulin mechanism, glucagon mechanism, gluconeogenesis, etc. So therefore IPT Kangana Ranaut, that she lost 5 kg weight, and within 15 days or 1 month she will get back that same 5 kg weight, or even 50 grams more also. So she needs a good keto dietitian like me to lose her excess fat cells, not excess water. So she has to reduce excess fat cells from her body. She needs a good keto diet advisor like me. She can contact me if my services are required. She can contact me in the comment section, because I don't want to give my phone number to everybody. So in part 2 I will explain some more hormone mechanism, hormone magic in part 2 and part 3 and so on. Thank you.